Okay, let's unbox Xiaomi Pad 8 with the Snapdragon processor. This is how it came in packing. Let's open it. Before that, let me tell you, it having a 3.2K display. I ordered the 12GB 256GB variant with nano texture. For now, without pen. You can see these all things come in the package: a charger, cable. Let's keep them aside. This is the main content, our tab. This looks very premium. Build quality is very nice. Full metal body. Now let's open the screen card. Doesn't cover the cover. Don't put a cover as well because it's nano texture. You cannot enjoy the 3.2K display what it provides with nano texture if you put another screen guard on top of it. So I'm doing quick setup. So I've logged in with my Google account. You can see it's logged in now. It's running on Xiaomi Hyper OS. You can see it's 12GB variant I have. I'm just cross-checking all the details and the settings. All looks fine. And the tablet interface is quite smooth. You can see the storage, this much comes with already installed apps. You can rename the device if you want for connecting into Bluetooth and others. It comes with a 144Hz display rate, so it feels really smooth while navigating the tablet. There are a few tweaks here and there you need to do initially. So I haven't connected internet as of now. I'll connect internet. Just having fun. I'll later make an in-detail video for all the features. As of now, I'm just checking on the display quality and the refresh rate. Let's watch some Netflix video to check the display quality. There is a huge light under which I'm recording, but if you see, it's a nano texture, so you do not see any reflection on the screen. The display quality is quite nice. After connecting the Wi-Fi, you can see how fluid it is going. The blacks are very accurate. I'm recording on an iPhone. I'm not sure how much it justifies it, but yeah, in real it looks very sharp. You can feel the 3.2K display. It's very good for content consumption. Yeah, one of my favorite scenes here. Well, let's open a few other apps. As I logged in through my Google account, let's quickly sync all my Google Calendar. You can see all the dates here. Yes, yeah, it comes with a quad speaker. Let's put some accessories now. I ordered this case from Amazon. Well, I'll drop the link below. The cutter is quite accurate. The volume button, it have a pen holder as well. You see there is this protective skin inside and outside of the case. You need to remove it before putting it in. If you can hear the click sound, yes, the fitting is perfect. And it's a magnetic one, so once it is closed, it supports quick screen lock as well. Once you close it, the screen gets closed. And the button pushing, the camera position, everything is cut out is very sharp. It doesn't affect any operation on the tablet. You see the volume button working fine. All the speaker cutout are also perfect. And you can fold like this towards horizontally, very lower to your desk, or you can make the tablet stand. I just had a quick trial and error before I got it right. Yeah, first time user of tapped. Yes, you can say that. Yes, you can see now it is standing. Yes, that's how it works, the cover. I'm making a quick video later, in-depth technical video I'll make later. Just now I just want to do an unboxing video with two of the accessories I purchased. One is a case and another will be a cheaper pen, a stylus. Let's unbox the stylus. It's the cheapest one I got in Amazon. It's very lightweight, won't feel in your hand. Let's open it. Yes, a white color, and comes with a magnetic clip. You can see it's closes by itself. It comes with a extra nib, you can see in the case. Yeah, so it's again a 360 rotatable. You can change it in any direction. You can use the pen in your tab. Let's keep it aside and try it in our tab. Bring the tab back. Okay, it was paused here. You can see I just opened and the display came on. Now see, it's working very fluid. I haven't purchased the actual Xiaomi pad pen, but I maybe next sale I'll plan if I need. As of now, I don't do any creative artistic work, so I just thought I'll just have a simple stylus. It works quite smooth, like same as a finger and stylus. Now I can do quite decent picture as well. Swiping will not be any problem. In the next video maybe I'll show you how if I draw any pictures using it. That would be all for this tab unboxing and the cover and the stylus. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and soon I'll make another technical video focusing on the technical detail. Thank you. Good day.